Hi there. I'm under the poetry again. This poem's for Colin, who's my daddy. It's called Dad. Hush, darling daddy, now don't you fret. We'll fall asleep soon, but just not yet. And if your lullabies won't work, you could always read us a bedtime book. And if that book doesn't make us snug, why don't you find us a teddy to hug? And if that hug only makes us hot, you could always pour us a glass of squash. And if that squash makes us want to wee, you might as well let us watch TV. Hush, darling daddy, let's kiss good night. We'll put you to bed and we'll turn off the light. You're much more sleepy than your boys and girls, but you're still the sweetest daddy in the whole wide world. Love you, Colin.